Action.
This is competition. This mouthwash out. But you can also use it as a substitute for torture. Now, we have one person that's going to be tortured, and the camera's viewing him. Is he sweet, ladies and gentlemen? Oh, Lord. He's sweet with this mouth open. Imagine what's also going in his mouth. So, as you can see, he's sweet. He can't hear us. You know, this stuff's pretty strong.
It burns. That stuff been burning forever.
So, first, you like pop, lock, and drop it.
That's Dr. Tissues. That burns.
Like pop, lock, and drop it. Twist the cap and drink it. Twist the cap and drink it. We're not going to kill him, but we're going to.
Oh, that is gonna kill.
Yeah.
You know, we're not gonna kill him as you pour a full cup.
Here we go.
You really killed him.
Mike, why did you do that?
Oh, Chris. And there you go.